Hi, Scott Moore from the Pickleball Masterclass, highperformancepickleballacademy.com, and my hometown of Colorado Springs. We've had over 10,000 opt-ins to our online academy, hundreds of people that are using it, loving it, and they have asked additional questions. We want to be responsive to your needs, so we have made additional mini series. This one will be on the backhand serve, some of you ask about, and I will show you how and why to use a backhand serve, or why I like to. Not many people do it. I love it, and here's why. One, I get a spin that goes from right to left. So if there's wind blowing right to left, I can really move that ball anywhere from 1 to 5 feet, sometimes taking people completely off the court with a backhand serve. I think it's a very natural motion as well. Just like a nice backhand swing, if you have a comfortable backhand, it's an easy serve to hit. Sometimes we get the yips on our forehand, we get a little tight. So it's easier to, I think, to relax and flow with your backhand than it is with your forehand oftentimes. Basically though, people have problems because the ball toss is different. On a forehand serve, it's all out front and out of the way. On the backhand serve, your arm is in the way, and so people can't get past how to hold the ball. Some people will hold the ball above the paddle. I like to hold it below the paddle and just make my arm disappear as I swing through it. It looks like this. Very natural, strong finish, and that takes it deep into the court, again with a little spin right to left. If you want to start above it, that's okay too. I think it's easier, like I said, to go below. But whatever you do, the key is to swing from your shoulder. Use all your shoulder, take a step into the ball. That way your weight is behind it, your momentum. You don't have to swing as hard. And have your paddle face open. So when you contact the ball here, you lift it up and over the net deep into the court. One more time, looks like this. And that thing is just so consistent, so easy to hit. On the deuce side, if someone is stacking against me, for example, I can hit it in the corner and take them completely off the court, creating a major crisis for them to cover their side of the court. Another time I love to use it, just to pull them off the court. So again, backhand serve, it also makes you a little less predictable. People can't get in a rhythm against you. It's a little different spin, a little different bounce, and it's a nice variety to your game. Nice tool in your tool chest. Very simple to do, very easy on your arm and shoulder, and something that I think everyone should have in their toolbox.